Hi guys, wagwan, happy Friday. Welcome back to your girl Dorrie. Yes guys, come with me. I have a package that just got delivered, guys. I wanted to catch the Amazon delivery guy, but I didn't. So I will go ahead and go pick it up, guys. Right on my doorsteps. Guys, Dorrie have a package. Dorrie love to receive packages from Amazon, guys. She gets so excited. Alright guys, so here it is. Today I'll be doing a unboxing. You got it. Yes guys, I'll be doing unboxing today and you will see what Dorrie have inside. Alright, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and open. And guys, what we have is a auto face tracking selfie stick, a tripod with light, and moment of truth, guys. Ta-da! Here it is. Alright, so it says it's 360 rotation, no app required. It's anti-shake handle. It has screen switching. It has long endurance because you can charge it, and it has intelligent face tracking and gesture order. There it is, and here is the setup. All right, so we have stable selfie stick quadrupod. All right, let's go ahead and take it out. Oh, it has a nice bag holder, guys. Nice little baggie. Let's see. Oh wow, nice and sturdy. All right, so this here comes up. This comes up. Okay, right here is where you're gonna put the phone holder. Yes, and then this part, oh, here's a button right here. Oh, it locks it. And then when you push it up, it turns around. See, guys? It's a little button right here. All right, let's see what else we have in the box. Oh, here. Oh, it's the light, guys. And I believe yes, there are two of them. All right, and it will show you, this is the part right here goes on to the sides of your phone. So you have the holder right here and right here. Okay, and next, so here is the phone holder, guys. And again, like I said, here is the little spot that you would go ahead and attach it. Where did it go? I just saw it. Oh, right here. Touch it right here, guys. Like so. All right, so that's on nice and tight. Again, the cell phone, which I can't do because I'm using it right now, will go right here. And it has, oh, just one more little part here. I thought there something else go there, but no. All right, so what else do we have? We have a clip-on mirror thing. Yes, guys, and there is a cable as well, and this is for charging the tripod, guys. And then we have a little rag to clean the mirror, I guess, or your phone screen, right? All right, there's a cable. And that's it that we have in the box. So stay tuned. Dorrie, go ahead to finish setting this up. Don't go anywhere. So let's continue on. So I'm going to show you how tall or how long this selfie tripod stick is. Wow, look at that. That's how tall it is, guys. See it? Awesome. And then the bottom, the stand, there's a button at the bottom that you push that allows the holder or the legs to come out. So see, there you have it, even taller than Dorrie. All right, so you can adjust. So I'm adjusting so I can show you how you put the auto tracking lights on. There's one, and here's the other one. Nice and easy installation, guys, nothing too hard. All right, and you can rotate these. See, you can rotate them however. Okay, and now on this section, here's where you charge it. Okay, and then there is a power button right below it, right here. All right, guys, I'm going to turn it on and let you see. So you turn it on. Hold on. All right, turn it on. Wow. So, of course, Dorrie will be testing this out and having fun with it. It's nice and sturdy. And I will show you the one that I was using before. So, I'm so excited to get this new one, guys. Here's a better way to show you how the auto intelligent face tracking works, guys. So wherever I go, it follows my movements, my face. All right, guys, so there it is. All right. Stay tuned, guys, don't go anywhere. All right, guys, and as for the light, see, I have one on, but I'll show you this one that's not on. There is a button right here that you click, very bright, and you can change the lighting, guys. See? Oh, I like this crystal clear fluorescent one. I don't like the bright one. This one is good. All right, and it keeps following me, as you can see. But again, there's a button at the back that you can adjust the lighting. All right, that's it. Thank you so much. Oh, look at this one. Thank you so much for joining your girl Dorrie as she unboxed this auto face tracking selfie stick slash tripod that has the light on there. It has the remote. Here's where you put the phone. And see how tall it can get taller. Real tall, guys. There it is. And you have the charging cable. You can charge right here, and you can charge the lights as well. All right, guys. So thank you for joining Dorrie. she will be having fun with her new toy. So this is my old selfie tripod stick that I was using. So look at the upgrade. All right, so there. It also had a remote as well. Wait, let me take the remote off. So here was the remote that it was using. It sits right in here. And this is the stand. All right, and that's how tall that get, guys. And right here is where I would place my phone. So look at the difference. We have junior and we have senior. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.